Hello, Leo, and welcome to your Fireside reading for January the 10th through the 20th. Let's see. Our stones are nephrite jade, inspiration, motivation, wisdom, and abundance. We have galena, the harmony stone. Balances all levels of life. Grounding, centering, opens the mind to all possibilities and expands ideas and dreams. Our third stone is the prehnite, which we just got. It heals the healer and fills your cup. It looks after caregivers, brings physical and soul energy, eliminates nightmares, phobias, and fears. Okay, and then we're going to draw our rune here. And, we got the rune of joy. The Wunjo rune. Yay. Stone People card is spider medicine. Weaving your web one strand at a time. That takes patience. Spirit animal is the deer. Being gentle with yourself and others. Sign and symbol is the forest, the standing people, and connection with nature. So spending time with the trees. We got our favorite card. Woohoo! Stone People, records and knowing revealed. Sister Moon says, luck is on your side. Yay. The great teacher reminds you to learn from your spiritual experiences. And Crow Spirit says to co-create with Spirit. Don't try to do it on your own. We have the North Shield, wisdom and gratitude for all that we have. Sister Moon says, show the world the real you. Don't be afraid to be yourself. We have Father Sky, trust in the unknown. And, Lion Spirit, be generous of spirit. That's perfect for Leos. We have Power Place, Earth, Connection, and Empowerment. That goes right along with our Forest card. Spending time in nature and allowing it to empower you. Sister Moon says, believe in the impossible. Believe in the I'm possible. Earth Guardian, stay rooted and grounded. So now we have 3 cards about our connection with Earth and grounding. And we have a Starfish Spirit. Be open to infinite possibility. Don't hold yourself back. Okay, so we have the rune of joy here. Let's put that on. Luck is on your side. We have our nephrite jade. Inspiration, motivation. I'm going to put that one on the great teacher. A lot of wisdom in that. We have galena, which is the harmony stone. We're going to put that one on our wisdom and gratitude. And then we have our prehnite, heals the healer. We're going to put that right on our deer, which is very healing. Okay. Our quote for this week is one that I wrote. It's called, It's Our Turn. Winter is the death of the year, all things complete and resting. Clarity comes in the frigid stillness, illuminating our deepest thoughts. Time slows and days shorten. The sun is weak in its light, but it is stronger and brighter in our souls. It is our turn to bring light and warmth to the earth, to illuminate the darkness with love, hope, and goodwill to all. I hope you enjoyed your reading. Peace, love, and light. Until next time.